Today we are talking about the best arc MIG, TIG, and stick welder. What makes this one so cool is it has a built-in inverter that can go from 110 to 220. So you have different applications, or you have different ways of being able to plug it in depending on your power source. Also, the MIG comes with wire that is flux core and non-flux core. So if you have gas to be able to run in your MIG, you can use this. It also comes, you can buy separately, you can buy the TIG adapter to go TIG, and it comes with the stick welding. Also comes with a few extra tips on the MIG, and it comes with 2 spools of wire. Now I already have 1 spool of wire already in and set up to be able to weld. So if you are looking for a very versatile type of MIG welder for small projects to medium projects, this is a good one.